Hello and welcome to this meditation focusing on our chakras. To get started, find a comfortable place where you can sit or lie down undisturbed. If it feels comfortable for you, gently close your eyes and take a deep breath in, slowly exhaling out your mouth. Let your breath guide you into a place of stillness, of presence, and ease. This meditation will walk you through each of your chakras as we invite in balance and clarity. Bring your awareness to the base of your spine, your root chakra, known for stability and grounding. Imagine a warm, red light glowing here, grounding you to the earth. As you breathe in, feel stability and security entering your body. As you breathe out, release any fear or tension. Picture the red light growing stronger and stronger, anchoring you in safety and presence. Now shift your attention to just below your navel, your sacral chakra, known for creativity and flow. A glowing orange light begins to expand here, swirling with ease. Inhale, welcoming creativity, passion, and joy. Exhale, letting go of any blocks or stagnation. Envision the orange energy flowing freely, awakening your sense of pleasure and inspiration. Moving upward to your stomach, your solar plexus chakra, known for confidence and power. See a bright yellow light radiating from your core. This is the center of your personal power. With each inhale, draw in confidence and strength. With each exhale, release self-doubt. Feel this yellow light glowing, fueling your inner fire, reminding you of your worth. Now bring your awareness to the center of your chest, your heart chakra, known for love and compassion. A soft green light expands here. Breathe in, drawing in kindness and self-love. And breathe out, releasing pain and resentment. Let this green light grow, filling you with warmth, connection, and peace. Focus now on your throat chakra, known for expression and truth. A calming blue light begins to glow, opening your ability to express yourself freely. Inhale, allowing your truth to flow with ease. And exhale, releasing any fear of being heard for your true self or being judged. Feel this blue light energy expand, inviting clarity and openness to your voice. Now shift your awareness to the space in between your eyebrows, your third eye chakra, known for intuition and insight. A deep indigo light emerges, illuminating your inner wisdom. With each inhale, welcome insight and trust in yourself. With each exhale, let go of confusion, allowing clarity to take its place. Feel this deep indigo light sharpening your intuition and guiding you effortlessly. And finally, bring your focus to the top of your head, your crown chakra, known for connection and expansion. A radiant violet light shines here, connecting you to the universe and to divine wisdom. As you inhale, invite a sense of peace and higher understanding. As you exhale, release any resistance or disconnection. Feel this energy expand beyond you, connecting you to all that is. Envision all 7 lights glowing and strong. From the violet of your crown chakra to the indigo of your third eye, the light blue of your throat chakra, the soft green of the heart, the yellow of your solar plexus, the soft glowing orange of your sacral chakra, and the warm red light at your root. Take a deep, full breath, allowing all of these energies to harmonize within you. Feel the balance, the openness, and the lightness in your body. When you're ready, return your sense to the weight of your body in its seat. Gently wiggle your fingers and toes. And if your eyes were closed, go ahead and open them whenever you're ready to, returning to the present moment with clarity and ease. You are balanced, you are whole, and you are free. Thank you so much for joining me in this practice today. Take care.